Hey guys, what's up? Brando here. Welcome to my channel, and I got something really exciting for you today. For those of you living in 1946, you may not know what a gimbal is. Just a cup, and we have a user manual, wow, this case is beautiful, very similar to the ones on the DJI drones. Let's take a look inside. What? And let's take a look inside. Wow. So what do we get in the box? DJI OSMO 2 mobile and a charge cable. I expected this to be black. For some reason, most of these units that are marked black are actually grey. This is black. This is grey. Hey guys, thank you for sticking around. If you like more videos like this, consider subscribing, and it was a pleasure doing business with you. Ciao.